Welcome to Car World, your ultimate destination for the latest and most exciting updates from the world of luxury and performance cars. If you love high-end automobiles, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our premium automotive content. Today, we're diving into the world of ultimate luxury and performance with the 2025 Bentley Batur. This masterpiece is more than just a car. It's a statement of exclusivity, power, and cutting-edge design. The Bentley Batur 2025 is a rare gem, embodying the pinnacle of craftsmanship and innovation. With only a limited number of units being produced, owning this car is a privilege reserved for a select few. It continues Bentley's tradition of hand-built excellence while integrating modern technology and advanced aerodynamics. Under the hood, the Batur houses a monstrous 6.0-liter W12 twin-turbocharged engine, delivering an astonishing 740 horsepower. This makes it one of the most powerful Bentleys ever built, ensuring a breathtaking driving experience. The acceleration is seamless, and the refined engineering guarantees a smooth yet thrilling ride. Bentley has fine-tuned the suspension and handling to provide maximum comfort without compromising on performance. The exterior design is a work of art. The bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give the Batur an aggressive yet sophisticated presence. The deep black paint with a mirror-like glossy finish enhances its elegance, reflecting light beautifully under any condition. The rear design features futuristic LED taillights and a carbon fiber diffuser, adding to its sporty appeal. Step inside, and you are greeted with a cabin that defines luxury. The handcrafted leather seats, carbon fiber, and aluminum accents create an ultra-premium environment. The digital driver's display and state-of-the-art infotainment system provide a seamless and intuitive experience. Ambient lighting enhances the overall ambiance, making every drive feel extraordinary. Bentley has also incorporated the latest technology, ensuring top-tier connectivity and safety features. From advanced driver assistance systems to a premium audio experience, every detail has been meticulously crafted for an unparalleled driving experience. The 2025 Bentley Batur is not just a car, it's an experience, a blend of power, luxury, and exclusivity. For those who demand the absolute best, this is the ultimate dream machine. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Car World for more premium automotive content. See you in the next video.